we powered on the unit and did our reset. Now I want to walk you through the rest of the controls and point out what exactly they all mean. So looking at the controls, the first one you see here is the emergency stop button. If you push that in, it's going to stop everything. And you get the error 1 message. When you're done using that, pull it back out. A lot of times people forget to do that and they get error 1 and they don't know what the problem is. You have to hit reset to get out of that. So from there you have the start button, which is used to start a cycle in automatic mode or record mode. Next to that you have stop, which is used to stop a cycle at any time. Then you have the reset button, which we discussed earlier, bring everything to the home position. From there you have the plus and minus buttons. These are used to change values on the desired setting. Now below that we go to save, used to save any changes. One thing to note, whenever you save, you must hit the OK button over here to confirm the saved changes. A beep will then follow, which confirms the changes were saved. Back over here you have the load button. This is used to select a pre-saved cycle for automatic mode. Then you have record. This is used to start the recording process, which we'll discuss in another video. Then you have this automatic manual OK button, which is used to choose between the automatic mode and the manual mode. It's also used to confirm the changes like I mentioned earlier. Below that you have the program escape button, which allows you to toggle between these 3 different wrap cycles, and also the escape portion allows you to kind of get to a home position. These 3 positions are up, down, which in this one the pallet will be wrapped with the carriage going up to the top of the pallet and then coming back down. Up only, the pallet will be wrapped with the carriage only going up, then stopping at the top of the pallet. Top sheet, the pallet will be wrapped with the carriage going upward, then pausing at the top of the pallet. The operator would then place a top sheet on the pallet and hit the start button. The machine would then secure the sheet to the pallet and finish the cycle coming back down. Then you have these icons down here. You have the bottom wraps, which is the number of times the bottom of the pallet is programmed to be wrapped. You have top wraps, which is the number of times the top of the pallet is programmed to be wrapped. You have tension. This is how tight you want the film to be applied to the pallet. Below that, you have rotation, which is how fast you want the turntable to rotate. Then we have carriage up speed, which is how quickly the carriage raises, and carriage down speed, which is how quickly the carriage lowers. For these 2, you would want to lower the speed if you have a taller pallet because you can get more coverage in the middle of the pallet. That's it for the overview of the controls. Next, let's show you how to make changes to a wrap cycle.